fall in the Oak Openings region of Northwest Ohio. A palette of warm colors fills a landscape that is preparing for the cooler temperatures ahead. But for now, life is enjoying a warm October day. This is the Kitty Todd Preserve. Fire is essential to life in an oak savanna. The burns clear out the understory. Larger trees are left standing over a blank canvas that will soon be a lush and diverse savanna. This is a prescribed burn. The team coordinates targeted applications of fire as a restoration tool. The fire's impact on the health of the system can be felt for years. As the fires burn, a rebirth in the spring is not far off. Wild blue lupin. The brilliant hues of blue and purple are a sign of spring at Kitty Todd. Kitty Todd is a central feature of the Oak Openings region, which sits atop an ancient Lake Erie shoreline. The lake retreated and now sits 20 miles away, but the sand dunes and ancient beaches remain. Ants are hard at work. Their bustling activity plays an important role in the preserve's health. Most of the activity occurs underground, where they aid in cycling nutrients and aerating the soils they burrow in. It's a calm summer morning in the wet prairies. Here, a different suite of plants and animals live. Cardinal flowers stand out amongst the green of the landscape. The flowers offer a sugary treat, but in order to reach it at the bottom of flowers' tubes, you need the right hardware. Ruby-throated hummingbirds have a long beak that can reach the flower's nectar. The birds act as pollinators as they move from flower to flower. The landscape supports a mosaic of habitats and an impressive diversity of life. The beauty is in the details, with an incredible richness of species teeming in a rich variety of habitats. Kitty Todd is home to some of the rarest and most threatened habitats on Earth. The remaining habitat of the Oak Openings and places like Kitty Todd remain as a refuge in which rare plants and animals can thrive. To learn more about this preserve, visit nature.org/kittytodd.